Hello, everybody. Today, let us discuss about nutrition in unicellular organisms. Let us take amoeba and paramecium. Amoeba, being omnivore organism, is a unicellular which takes in food using temporary finger-like cell extensions on its surface which fuse over the food particle, forming a food vacuole. Please keep in mind finger-like cell extensions. The finger-like cell extensions are called as pseudopodia. This is also a technical term, pseudopodia. When the food particles comes in contact with its cell surface, it engulfs the food through the process of ingestion, means taking the food inside through cell surface is called ingestion. Inside the food vacuole, complex food breaks into small molecules, small food molecules, and absorbed by cytoplasm, means absorption. It absorbs the food. That absorption takes place in cytoplasm. The undigested food particles are removed through any part of the cell and eliminates out. This process is called egestion. Keep in mind technical terms: pseudopodia, ingestion, and egestion. The three technical terms are very important. Next, coming to the paramecium. In paramecium, which is also a unicellular organism and is having a definite shape, whereas in amoeba there is no definite shape, but paramecium is having a definite shape. The food is taken in through specific spot with the help of cilia, whereas in amoeba pseudopodia, whereas in paramecium it is cilia. Cilia covers entire surface of the cell. Just to compare the nutrition in amoeba and paramecium and note the points, but don't forget the technical terms: pseudopodia, ingestion, egestion in amoeba, whereas in paramecium cilia. It's very important, definite shape and specific spot, help of cilia. The food covers, the food is taken inside through specific spot with help of cilia in paramecium. So note down the important points, try to keep the things by remembering, because these are very important from objective type of questions point of view. Hope you have got the information. Thank you.